Did you build this?
Yeah.
Very nice. That's some thick glass.
Yeah, 1.25 inch, bulletproof.
All right.
They had a demolition of a bank, so I bought a bunch of it. And
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Nice. Ooh, that's nice. So, before you give me a demo, what's your name and what's in here, man?
Timothy Bustle. I got 6 BB4 15s. Right now, 3 AAKAKs in the 4th order. About 2.5 to 1.
Looks really good. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Very nice. That's some thick glass.
Yeah, 1.25 inch, bulletproof.
All right.
They had a demolition of a bank, so I bought a bunch of it. And
All right. There you go.
figured we'd play around with it.
Yeah. Are these the 3 or 4? 3.5, 4 inch.
Yeah, these are 4s.
These are pretty big.
I just recoated these two. These two are fresh.
They are, okay.
So that's
Nice.
But there's only one way to break it. So
Yeah. That is, yeah, I like that. You got this compressed bracing in there,
Yeah,
and you
you
got
know,
an LED look and everything.
we built that last night. Believe it or not, it's a valley cover for an LS motor.
All right.
We're able to cut it and polish it up.
Yeah.
As a brakes, hold the roof open.
Nice.
It's actually pretty solid.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Awesome. Appreciate it, man.
Always.
Can I see the back?
Yeah.
Sorry. Thank you. Lithium, where's it hiding at? Where's the lithium?
dog.
No, it's solar. Solar panel.
Solid.
Yeah.
They're crazy. Exactly. That's some thick wire too.
Yeah, it's 4 out.
Oh wow. Nice.
There's a battery
Yeah. What's that? 240? 230?
145.
145. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll build one, so
All right.
yeah. That was the kind of the biggest one I could get in there.
That's a pretty big one to fit there.
Yeah, it's right up against the window. I had to cut this.
Yeah. It works.
That's good.
Yeah. How many alternators?
3, but only one's working.
One? Okay. Yes, sir.
Let's hear it.
Yeah, he's ready to give us a demo.
Well, I mean, let's do both doors open.
Both doors.
It's a lot better. It's not stinking.
Let's see what we got here. I don't really know what's going to play, but open that door up.
Okay. Sorry. You can come in if you want. As close as you want.
If I told you this was only good.
Y'all rich niggas. You know, so we really never had no homework. We got a whole lot of new money though. Retro, just 116.